What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna try and do a quick and easy install, aka a glueless install, aka using a fake scalp wig. So the hair that we will be using today, or wig that we will be using today, is from Royalme. It's Royalme quality lace wigs. Now I purposely left it in the box because the purpose of this video is to try and install the wig straight out the box. So I'm opening up the paper, and this is the wig details, and the wig is right here. It still has the net around it and everything. So with this wig, it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it has the fake scalp method in there. So really there should be nothing that we need to do. So I'm gonna take the little paper out the middle and take the net off. And it has a little color on it too, but you guys will see that once I start installing. But I just want to show you guys the inside of the wig. So turn the wig inside out. We have the one long comb in the back. Of course, we have the elastic band. There's adjustable straps back here. There are 2 combs surrounding the frontal area, and then we have the fake scalp method in there. And I've tried this once before, and the one I had before, I feel like it was a little darker, so this one may match my skin better. So got my little braids. I got 6 braids in my head, and I'm just gonna see if I need to adjust anything. And you can see the little blue highlight we have in the front. And it's like a bob wig. It kind of stops at my shoulders. Now the lace, from when I'm looking at it over here, it has like a little yellow tone to it, but on camera it kind of looks grayish. So I'll probably just put some makeup on it and call it a day. But it's like a very snug, really tight fit, which is a good thing, which makes it easy to do a glueless install. So I'm gonna cut this lace off. I mean, I feel like I want to pluck it a little bit. I'm gonna pluck it just a little bit because this isn't plucked enough for me, but the knots are bleached, as you guys can see in the part. I'm gonna just pluck it a little bit more to my liking, and then we're gonna try out this glueless install straight out the box. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I plucked it a little bit, and I have my foundation brush in my Fenty 390 foundation. And this foundation, I usually use this one during the winter time, not the winter time, the summertime, if I do wear makeup, because this is my darker one. So like when I get a tan and stuff, this is usually the one I wear. So I'm gonna take the little bit of foundation, and I'm gonna just put it along the hairline right before the fake scalp, just because the lace is like transparent. So sometimes when you do transparent lace and you don't have the correct lace tint, it can look, you can get like a white halo around your head, like when you take pictures and stuff. So I'm going to reapply the wig. Okay, flip the head. I'm dead. Flip the head over, and just gonna pull the back down, tuck my braids. So I'm gonna use a clip and just clip this out the way a little bit, and I'm gonna take my scissors and cut the lace.
Let it bang.
And here we are. I'm gonna take my baby hair brush and just kind of brush my edges back because they be in the way. And I guess I'll get into the edges. So Y'all know how I'm coming with the edges. You gotta pull out a good amount. I think that should be enough. I'm gonna clip the rest of the hair back. I'm just pulling it down just to see if it's showing anything. So that side is good. And we're just gonna take the razor, trim the hairs down. Okay, and then do the same thing to the other side. I'm loving this little blue we got going here. I really am. Clip the rest back. And the blue's kind of going into a greenish, grayish color too. I mess with it. I do. So, trimming them down. My hot comb's not hot yet, so I'm just gonna go in with my Cream of Nature styling foam, put some on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna like use it to lay the edges on my face. I know it seems weird right now, but just bear with me. Okay, it's just so I know what I'm working with. Now, I'm gonna take my edge brush and I'm gonna use that to mess with the edges a little bit. Just shape them into what I want them to be. The good part about using styling foam is that if you change your mind about how you want them to look, you can just easily comb them back up. So that's why I really rock with it so heavy. And I really like this method because it makes it easier to kind of just swoop the hair, the unwanted hair back in to the hairline. Then you're going to tie it down. I'm just going to use my bandana. You let that sit on there until you feel like the foam is completely dry. But while we're waiting on that, you can kind of go in and flatten your part and all that good stuff. And then we wait. When my foam is dry, I will come back and we'll finish up. Let's see what we working with. Excuse my lip gloss. Y'all know I'll be going overboard, so it'll be over my lips a little bit. Side note, somebody asked me if I get my lips done. Man, don't play with me. Okay, so this little baby here decided to do what it wanted. We're gonna fix her up though. Okay, so when the foam dries, you're able to comb through the baby hairs, but they're molded, so now they can move, but they're still molded into place. So that side didn't do too well. This side did okay. So we're just gonna comb through. and they move. Whew. Yo, when that heat be traveling through the lace, that's something different. Something different, for real. For a second, I'll be thinking I'll be actually burning me. But it's just the heat traveling through. Could have fooled me. I'm gonna just keep fooling with it until I get the look I'm going for. I feel like it looks so plain, like I need to add curls or something.
Let it bang.
So I think I'm good. But overall, I feel like this is a good look, especially to be straight out the box, other than me having to pluck just a little bit more. I think this came out pretty dope. I'm really loving this color right here. Like, it's just giving me a lot right now, especially with adding the curls. I feel like it gave it a little pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? But once again, this is Royalme. This is the Ruby Indigo Blue wig, bob wig. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can get the full look and everything like that. But with the fake scalp, the pre-bleached knots, being pre-plugged, having the adjustable strap, perfect size, the elastic band, perfect size, adjustable straps, the combs, like literally I didn't even have to put a wig cap on. I just straight put the wig on, cut the lace, put a little makeup on her in the front, and then styled it. And y'all know with Glueless, when you do it with the styling foam, that it literally is glueless. So you could take it off once the baby hairs and everything is molded. You could take it off one day, and the next day you could put it back on and it'll look exactly the same. So with Glueless, this is what you get. The edges and the baby hairs they're not hard, they're not stuck on your face, nothing like that. You can literally take it off and put it back on, so that's really dope as well. But I will leave all the links and everything in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This hair is pretty cute to me, but I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.
Let it